Hi there friends, and welcome to my channel, Cat's Paw Canteen. My name is Kenny, and I hope you're hungry because we're making some shrimp quesadillas for dinner tonight. Not just any shrimp quesadillas, I'm making it jalapeno popper style shrimp quesadillas. So come follow me into the canteen and I'm going to show you how I make it. Alright Sky, you ready to rock and roll?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Can you tell us what we're going to be using for dinner? Okay, what's this? What do we got here?
Got some tortillas.
Tortillas, okay. And what else do we have?
Some shrimp.
Some shrimp, okay.
Got little tail.
Yeah? And we got the tails off, huh? And the skin off. We peeled it all off. What else?
Cream cheese.
We got some cream cheese. Okay, what else?
Sour.
Yeah, it's a little tart, huh? Yeah. What's this one right here?
Lemon juice.
This is close. This is lime juice.
Lime juice.
Yeah. What's this one right here?
Salt.
This is garlic. This is minced garlic.
Minced garlic.
Yeah, and what's this?
Green onion.
Green onions, okay. And what's this one right here? Do you know what this is?
It's spicy.
It's spicy, huh? It's called jalapeños.
It's jalapeños.
Yeah, and what do we have right here?
Some cheese.
Yeah, this is mozzarella cheese, okay?
Mozzarella cheese.
And we have some Cajun seasoning. This is called Slap Ya Mama.
Yeah.
Yeah, Slap Ya Mama.
And it's so spicy.
Yeah, it's spicy too.
Garlic.
This is onion powder. And this is smoked paprika. And we also have a little bit of olive oil.
Yeah.
All right.
We're running out today.
Shall we get ready to cook it up?
Yes.
Yes, all right.
First we're gonna...
Okay, Sky, first things first, can you put some olive oil in?
Yeah.
Yeah. And drizzle it in. Yep, very good.
Like a span wheel.
Okay, and we're gonna put some minced garlic in, okay? There we go. Probably a teaspoon or two. If you like garlic, add some more. There we go. A little bit of onion powder. That's good. And some smoked paprika.
Ooh, it's so spicy.
It's not that spicy. It's smoky. There we go. That's good. And we got some Cajun seasoning, some Slap Ya Mama. There we go. Good job. And put in some lime juice. There we go. Good job. Okay, go ahead and mix it up. Okay, Sky, I think it's good to go. Thank you. All right, so we have our frying pan that's been heating up. Now we're gonna add in the shrimps that we just marinated. We marinated for about 5 minutes or so. And just go ahead and cook that up real quick. There we go. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and put this to the side for now. To keep things easy, I'm gonna use the frying pan as a base here. Put one tortilla down.
Like a pancake.
Yeah, like a pancake. Now we're gonna put in some cream cheese right down in there. And kind of smash that down a bit.
That's nice.
Might be easier if you use whipped cream cheese. Alright, right on the cream cheese, throw on your green onions. If you want more cream cheese than I do, be my guest. This is just my way of doing it, so there we go. And right on top of that, a quick sprinkle of Slap Ya Mama. And then toss in your shrimps.
Last one.
There we go. And next, we're gonna add in our jalapeños here. If you like it spicy, add a lot. If you're not that spice tolerant, you might not want to put as much as I do. And some people might be watching and saying that's not enough. Hey, to each their own. And add some more cheese on it. This time mozzarella cheese.
We're gonna like sprinkle.
Yeah, we're gonna put in a lot. And if you like more cheese, add any kind you want. Pepper jack might be good, cheddar might be good as well. And lastly, we're gonna just go ahead and place another tortilla right on top of that. And let's go ahead and take this to the stove and cook it up. All right, go ahead, place it on the stove. And I'm gonna let this cook on a low heat and make sure that the cheese melts, and then flip it over once one side is toasted. All right, so it's been about 2.5, 3 minutes on one side. Let's go ahead and check. Yeah, it looks brownish. Let's flip it over very carefully. There we go, perfect color. And crisp. And of course we're gonna let that cook until the other side is brown and the cheese is melted. Okay, so it's been about another 3 minutes or so on the other side on low heat, and it looks nice and golden brown, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop the heat here, and let's get ready to serve this bad boy. Okay, cutting board. There we go. Oh, let it slide a bit too far. Get my trusty old knife out. And let's go ahead and cut this up here.
What is that mark from Monster Hunter?
Is it from Monster Hunter? Looks like it, huh? You love watching Daddy play that game. Okay, now let's see the cross section here. Oh yeah, you can see the shrimp, cream cheese, green onions, some jalapeno in there. It is looking delightful. And I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up real quick. Okay, there we have my jalapeno popper style shrimp quesadillas. All right, so let me go ahead and take a bite here.
Did I bake it?
This is really nice. You taste that jalapeno, lots of cheese. The green onions do a good job making it nice and crisp. And the shrimp is really good. Whew. Still hot and cheesy on the inside. I did a good job, I think. So if you're looking for another quesadilla idea, you gotta try this out. And if you did enjoy this recipe today, make sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you back at the canteen again real soon.